Hi friends, Namaste. I am your Satish Kumar. Lot of times I have failed in my life. So many times I felt bad and cried also. Sometimes I have decided to give up my works due to some problems. Even I had decided to close my company when it was not doing good. But some motivational words of great achievers built courage in me. They helped me to grow personally and as well as professionally. These words changed my life. Because of these words I got everything whatever I wanted. These words have great role in my success. Here are those great words. Let's begin. If you were born as a poor, then it's not your fault. But if you die as a poor, then it's definitely your fault. If you need a motivation to do something, then don't do it. You have to learn from others' mistakes because you don't have a big life to learn everything by doing mistakes. It is not up to the stars to decide our destiny. It is up to us only. Only ordinary people can do extraordinary things. If you want to shine like a sun, then first learn to burn like a sun. No one else has the ability to spoil you. Only you have the ability to spoil yourself. First believe in yourself. First win yourself. Then this world will be at your feet. The biggest risk is not taking the risk. When one door of happiness closes, another door opens automatically. But as long as we keep looking at the closed door, we won't find the another door which is opened for us. When everything was going against you, then remember one thing, that aeroplane flies in the opposite direction of the wind, not with the wind. Every problem is a gift. We can't grow without problems. The optimist seeks the opportunity in every difficulty, but the pessimist seeks the difficulty in every opportunity. The smarter you become intellectually, the less you speak. Today's pain is tomorrow's power. The more you suffer today, the stronger you are tomorrow. Sometimes later becomes never. So do it now only. First believe in your work. It's like half the work done. Difficult roads always take you to the beautiful destinations. Work while others sleep. Learn while others party. Save while others spend. Finally, live like others dream. When someone rejects you, don't feel bad, because poor people can't afford costly things. If you can't handle the stress, then you won't manage the success. If you can't do great things, then do small things in a great way. Success comes from experience, and experience comes from bad experience. First work silently, then your success automatically makes sound. In this world, nothing is easy, nothing is difficult. All game is on our belief. Who thinks possible to me, then everything is possible to him. Whoever thinks impossible to me, everything is impossible to him. Friends, these are the words that changed my life so much. Watching videos does nothing, so take actions. Comment that great word that has changed your life. It gives motivation to others and changes their life as well. So, comment that great word that has changed your life. When you think about someone else's benefit, then this world starts to support you. Comment that great word that has changed your life. All the very best and thank you.